This is our LISHI, how to utilize LISHI pick and decoding tools by Winton. We're going to go over Kwikset Master Lock, Schlag, Best A Keyway, AM5, Kwikset SmartKey, and so much more. We're going to understand exactly how this tool works. We're going to understand the parts and pieces of it. We're going to understand how to utilize for 5 and 6 pin locks. We're going to use cutaway cylinders to show you the exact binding sequence to maximize your lock picking efforts. We're also going to decode master key systems. We're going to decode an entire master key system, never having to take the lock apart. And we're even going to do SFIC, or small format interchangeable core, to decode the control key and the operating key. We're even going to go into Kwikset SmartKey locks. We're going to decode those as well. There's left-handed locks, and all of these skills will put cash in your bank account. Sign up today. Thanks for watching.